Hello everyone, this is Henan Shengmao machinery. Behind me is one type of our mobile concrete batching plant. As you can see, it uses the GS type concrete mixers and with a high discharging height. Above the concrete mixers, there will be the wings of the water, cement, and additive. Below the concrete mixers is the control room. And behind the control rooms is the aggregate batcher. It's 4 bins. Below the aggregate batcher, there is the wings of the aggregate. This is the belt to transport the aggregate to the concrete mixers. And this type with tires, they also have the air brakes on the tires, so you can use a trunk to drag the concrete batching plant to transport it on the road with high speed and transport it to another place. Our factory is professional in producing many kinds of the concrete batching plant, including the mobile and the stationary type. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.